No. Now YouTube, this is Smoke Alarm Test 3. Well, it's the remake version of Smoke Alarm Test 3. You did see I did do the test with these. Now I'll be doing the next 6 videos. 2 of these, 2 of the new one, and I haven't shown you the other one yet, but I'll show you it before. I'll show you it in the same in the test as well. So yeah, this was Smoke Alarm Test 3 now. Got my nice Arsenal watch on. You can see it there. Go. And it is set, I think. No, it's not. It's not quite set the right time yet. It's still an hour behind it. I'm reading it in Azores, the country just beside us. The people beside us, not Northern Ireland. I think it's Northern Ireland actually. Yeah, I think it's Northern Ireland. I set the time back from Northern Ireland, I think. So, guess we need to go to Northern Ireland or sometime. Somewhere. It will need to be an hour slower, I think. So yeah. Anyways, we get on with the test, shall we? Should we get on with the test? You all ready for the test? Great! That's what I like to hear. You are ready for the test? Oh, by the way, can I just make sure volumes are as low as acceptable, please? Or mute. Due to the lack of noise, I strongly recommend if you either turn it down or put it on mute. The volume. Turn it down and put it on mute, please. You have 30 seconds. Again, you have 30 seconds to turn your volumes down before I start the test. So you have 30 seconds to do that, starting from now. Well, I've set my headphones again up. Set them up again. I have to put these in again. I always struggle how to put these headphones in. They always struggle. I always struggle putting these headphones in. I think we're about to start, aren't we? We're ready to do the test. 3, 2, 1, and that was about it. That was a very short test, so it isn't so annoying. Yep, that's what I mean. So it isn't so annoying. You know what? I'll do Smoke Alarm Test 4 as well in the same video. I will. So this will be Smoke Alarm Test 3 and 4. Let me put my headphones back on. And if you did turn your volume up, you have another 15 seconds to turn it down. So starting from now. Right, you do not have any more chance of turning the volume down because I'm about to test it again. So here we go. It might delay a little because of the sunlight. Here we go. Yeah, I'm just doing a really quick test. It only went once because I went on the test button to make it hush so it isn't so annoying. So yeah, now that's Smoke Alarm Test 3 and 4 for you. Hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you have I hope everybody has a good Easter and Easter bank holiday. So, oh look, my new chocolate knee, you didn't notice. Yep. So everybody can have a nice relaxing Easter bank holiday. So thank you for watching.